We have already recovered 5 of these. They were given to us, the reports were given to us by our fishermen. And it's difficult to detect these drones underwater. But when they're on the surface, they become visible. They get picked up by our fisher folks and they report to the Coast Guard, to the police, and then eventually to the AFP, the Philippine Navy. Similar in capabilities, different design, different color. We will know more the moment we get all the forensic reports. So far, only the first one has been completed, yung kanyang forensics.
Umabot na sa 5 submarine drone ang itinurn over sa Philippine Navy mula noong nakaraang taon ayon kay Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad ng Philippine Navy. Natagpuan ng mga ito ng mga mangingisda sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa. 2 sa drone nakuha sa Kalayaan Island, isa sa baybayin ng Pasukin, Ilocos Norte, isa sa Initaw, Misamis Oriental, at ang pinakahuli ay ang natagpuan sa Masbate.